As you continue, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. In this next moment, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. Tonight's theme is letting go of negative thoughts, and you can train this response one steady breath at a time. As the tension releases, picture a lantern beside a still path and let your system settle steadily. Without rushing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. Do not listen while driving, operating machinery, or doing anything that requires full attention. This content is for relaxation, well-being, and self-development only, and is not a substitute for professional medical, psychological, or therapeutic support. Breathe in for 4 and let the inhale steady. Hold briefly, then breathe out for 6 and let the exhale ease. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In this next moment, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. In this next moment, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. Allow your neck to relax. Let your calves become easeful. As you continue, notice a soft hush in the room around you. Feel your feet becoming resonant. At this deeper edge of stillness, notice your body feeling more centered overall. From here, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Step 10, and let your body become more patient. Step 9, and let your body become more soft. Step 8, and let your body become more stable. Step 7, and let your body become more open. From this softer edge, notice a soft hush in the room around you. Step 5, and let your body become more centered. Step 4, and let your body become more contained. Step 3, and let your body become more grounded. Step 2, and let your body become more quiet. Step 1, and let your body become more composed. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. While you listen, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. As the tension releases, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. At your own pace, notice a soft hush in the room around you. As you continue, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. From here, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Without rushing, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. As you continue, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. While you listen, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. From here, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. As you think about letting go of negative thoughts, notice that your internal pace is now unhurried and your attention is patient. In this next moment, keep your breathing patiently and your posture warm. Notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Steady body, steady mind. Let the idea of thoughts settle into your breathing as a calm, practical reference point. As you continue, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. While you listen, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Notice your feet easing into a more weightless state. Feel your hands becoming still. Let your hips become warm. Without rushing, notice a soft hush in the room around you. In your own steady timing, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. Picture the moment before a decision. You arrive with an unhurried breath and a tranquil mind. You respond to letting go of negative thoughts with steady intention, not urgency. As you continue, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. In this next moment, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. From this softer edge, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Let letting settled and precise become your switch into composure. In a moment, open your eyes and return with this steadiness intact. Take one deeper inhale, one slow exhale, and move forward with calm precision. As the tension releases, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs.